Do you ever feel like you need to change everything all at once? Like you must be perfect tomorrow, or you failed. But what if real change starts with just 1%? Let's listen to a short story about it. David was an ordinary student. He wanted to do better, but he felt stuck. Every night, he made big plans. I'll study 5 hours. I'll learn 100 words. But the next day, he felt tired, overwhelmed. He'd give up by lunchtime. I'm not smart enough, he thought. I'll never be like the others. His grandfather saw his sadness. One evening, he handed David a small notebook. Don't try to climb the mountain in one step, he said gently. Just be 1% better every day. Read 1 page, learn 1 word. Walk 10 minutes. David frowned. That's all? It won't make a difference. His grandfather smiled. Water wears away stone, not with force, but with drops. The next morning, David tried. He studied for just 10 minutes. The next day, 11, then 12. He added 1 English word each night. He walked a little farther. He wrote 1 sentence in his journal. At first, nothing seemed to change, but weeks passed, then months. His confidence grew, not with a shout, but with a whisper. One day he realized he was no longer the same person. He hadn't made giant leaps. He had taken small steps every single day. Let's learn some English words from this story. The word consistent means doing something regularly even if it's small. For example, she is consistent with her morning walks. Repeat after me, consistent. The word improvement means getting better little by little. For example, his English shows real improvement. Repeat after me, improvement. The word patience means staying calm while you wait for results. For example, learning a language takes patience. Repeat after me, patience. The word perseverance means continuing even when it's hard. For example, his perseverance helped him pass the exam. Repeat after me, perseverance. The word confidence means believing in yourself. For example, she spoke with quiet confidence. Repeat after me, confidence. The word transform means to change completely over time. For example, small habits can transform your life. Repeat after me, transform. Greatness isn't built in a day. It's built one small choice at a time. If this story inspired you, like this video and comment one thing you learned today. Remember, every story teaches a word, and every word teaches a lesson.